Hey everyone, this is Piyush Hande doing undergraduate course in Electronics and Telecommunication branch of engineering from Yashwantrao College of Engineering. And this video is a form of project submission for a task based on Arduino. The task is given by Team Pragyastra, which is a technical group of students in our college, which works on Arduino, AI, and I am going to explain about my project, which is POV display. In the team trip getting recorded, so let's start here. So first of all, what is POV display? So POV stands for persistence of vision. So let's see what it is. So the concept behind the POV display is we make a strip of LED which has some 5 to 9 LEDs, or depending on the user what he wants. So that strip rotates, and we whatever we want in it, whatever written form, it can be any name, it can be anything. So we can see, we can feed in the program in the sketch of Arduino, and it will be visible when it will rotate. So how it works? So let's see. Here you can see POV display. There are different types of POV display. So it is type of POV display. We can make so many types of POV display here. So what is needed? So Arduino. This is he had made it himself. We get Arduino Uno or Arduino Nano online. So Arduino, and this is a PCB board. These are LEDs, 9-volt battery, battery connector, solder wire, soldering iron, jumper wires, and that's we need. So for building it, you can Google how to make a LED display, and you will get here. So you can see how these LEDs are connected to the pins of Arduino. This D2 to D6. There are 5 LEDs here. So in my project I have used 10 LEDs, but I got a code of 8 LEDs. So in my project it works 8 LEDs only. So like this, you have to solder all the wires and all the LEDs. You should have soldering skills also, or not if you are beginner. So it is great project for learning soldering and learning the how to connect all circuit and make circuit. So the important thing is how it works. So you can see, like in his project he has used 5 LEDs. So when you see this means you consider a time interval of 1, 2 and 3 seconds. So on the first second, this all 5 LEDs will glow. On the second, these first, third and sixth, no, first, second, first, third and fifth LED will only glow, and on the third second, same, first, third and fifth LED will glow. So do not forget that the LED strip is rotating continuously. So when it rotates, and this in this particular time interval, it glows the LED. So like this E pattern will form for different letters, different LED patterns are there. So what is a persistent of image? So when a person sees an object, its image remains in the retina of eyes for a time interval of 1/6 of a second. This phenomena is known as persistence of image. So this phenomenon is using ready POV display to form images. So here it is. So I will show you the sketch of POV display, Arduino IDE. Here's the sketch. You can download it online. Here I have written my name, PIYUSH, and if you don't have to write, means it is enough, then you have to this underscore. You cannot leave it blank. You have to use that underscore. Yeah, so that's it for this video. So this was my part of project. For rotating the LED strip, I built this structure like so using PVC pipes, and this is a 12 volt motor. But the problem I was facing was that I was not getting the accurate power supply for it. I used the charger for powering it, but charger has a 5 volt supply and it needs a 12 volt to 24 volt, so it was not working. So I made another way for working it. So I tied it to a fan. Yeah, that's a little funny thing, but it works. So I will show you what I have done. So as you can see, this is Arduino Uno SMD version, and this is a strip of LED. Here this green, you can see it was a center on which this strip was attached. So I removed it, and I will show you. This is a 9 volt battery, so I will connect it. So I have connected it. Unfortunately, one LED is not glowing. If you are able to see, I have written my name, PIYUSH. One LED is not working, that's why that is showing that. You can see my name there clearly. It is unbalanced, that's why fan is not rotating properly.